the set and the whole design of it is excellent because it looks like a classic, very serious Russian piece because the costumes are fantastic. So if you like frocks, you've got to come along and see it. The set is it's based on a ruble, on an old Russian ruble, and then there's doors and flats around which revolve, and characters can come in and out, and they revolve completely. As far as other things in the design, facial hair, very important. All of us have grown amazing, amusing facial hair. I am waxed today, unfortunately. But yeah, then there's obviously the music. There's tuba, trumpet, played by one person, not at the same time. Clarinet, saxophone, squeeze box, accordion, balalaika, I play that. And banjo. So you can imagine what a great noise you can get out of that lot. Yeah, very fun. Oh, and a lot of screaming, a lot of girls screaming in it. Musically screaming.